So what we're doing today is we've got a large old growth 48-inch diameter white oak that failed in Hurricane Helene on top of the two houses behind us, and we're craning it out today. There were a lot of challenges with this particular project. One, it's a massive tree, 48-inch diameter tree that weighs a ton. Very tight site conditions. The tree fell right between two houses, was still resting on one of those houses. Power lines in front of the house, tight quarters even with crane access behind the house, so it required two cranes. We've got a knuckle crane set up on the road in front, and we've got a 60-ton all-terrain crane set up behind the house, just stabilizing the trunk of the tree while we have a climber and our rigging crew work the rest of the canopy off the front of the house.
You know, it looked like not a very big thing flying through the air until a guy was standing next to it, and then you could see, with respect to, you know, the person, how big this thing is. It was huge. It's a big relief. It feels like, you know, the tree on your house, it feels like a weight on you because you can't do anything until that's taken care of. And so that weight has been removed.
220 years old. We're extremely pro-tree, and this particular tree was 220 years old. You know, it hurts us for the community to have these kinds of losses.
Asheville Landscaping, they did a great job taking care of this tree for us. It was a team of guys that all worked together very well, and they did a great job.
Everything was done in a methodical way with precise communication and executed flawlessly. With tree situations like this, it's extremely important that you hire a competent professional contractor, someone that has the experience, the knowledge, the equipment, and the game plan to execute a removal of this magnitude without doing any additional damage to the property and while keeping everyone safe in the process. We'd love the opportunity to work with you. You can give us a call at Asheville Landscaping, 828-774-7207.